Dear folks, what you're going to see the action verbs. You have seen positive action verbs in sentence. I eat a mango. Anything you do an action, it is called action verb sentence. I eat a mango. Then you have gone for negative. I do not eat a mango. This do should come to state that you are not doing. Do not. Present tense or still you have not done. Past tense you did not. In future shall not. Now you are going to question, my dear friends. Whenever you go in for question, what you need, the most important word is called helping verb. That helping verb is called do, did and will, shall. Do, did and shall, or does also you have to add. This is used for questioning. For negative also do, does, did is necessary, and for negative and question also do, does, did is necessary. See, for example, my dear friends, I console the victims of war. I eat a mango. You put a do in front. Do I eat a mango means what? It becomes a question. When you start a sentence with do, does, did, will, shall, the answer you should get is yes or no. Hope you are able to understand. Suppose if you are adding why, it is information. Do I console the victims of war? What do you mean by console? Convince. So console means convincing. Do I convince the victims of war? So you are asking a question to somebody. Suppose in the past tense, did I consolidate the crowd? Consolidate means grouping the crowd. Did I consolidate the group? It may be yesterday, last year. Shall I conspire with the tax evaders? Conspire means what? Joining. Tax evaders means what? The people whom you cheat. Whom evade the tax, who cheat the tax. Next coming here. Do we constrict the story in the movie? Constrict, shorten. Constrict means shortening. Did we constrain our juniors? Constrain means what? Forcing our juniors. Shall we construe the meaning? Explain. Construe means explaining. Construe means explaining. Next, you becomes second person singular. Do you consult or do you consult the elders? Get advice. Did you consume liquor? Consume means taking, drinking. Will you consummate the marriage? Complete. Consummate means completing. You as second person plural. Did you contaminate the drinking water? Contaminate means what? Spoiling or mixing something and making it impure. Did you contemplate being air hostess? Contemplate means thinking. Contemplate. Will you contend for MP election? Contend means taking part in the competition. Contend. Does he contest for CM post? See, he comes. Whether if it is he or Raj. Third person singular, then what you have to use? You have to use the word does. Does he contest for CM post? Is he competing for the CM post? Did he contract malaria? Get malaria. Contract means getting malaria. Cut. Contract malaria. Will he contradict my selection? Oppose. Contradict means opposing. Contradict means opposing. So once again you are coming 64. She. Does she contrast with me? If she comes or Rani comes or any third person singular female comes, you are using does. Does Rani contrast with me? Having a difference of opinion. Contrast, oppose. Did she contravene my advice? Violate. Contravene means violating. Contravene. Will she contribute for building fund? Contribute means what? Giving. Contribute, giving fund. 1 minute, sir. சார் நீங்கள் பண்ணும்போது இந்த வேர்டும் என் ஃபேஸ் இருக்கணும். இந்த உச்சரிப்பு நாக்கு உச்சரிக்கிறது போர்டு தான் தெரியுது, வார்த்தை இல்லை இல்லை, என் ஃபேஸு வரணும், போர்டு வரணும். அதில் தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது. ஏன்னா அந்த உச்சரிப்பு அந்த இதெல்லாம் வந்து என் வாயிலிருந்து வருது. அந்த வாய் அது வரணும், அந்த ஃபேஸ் வரணும், இது வரணும், வாய் உச்சரிப்பு. நோ 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 இதுவும் வரணும். அந்த கேமராவில் அது தெரிய மாட்டேங்குது. பார்த்துக்குங்க. Okay. Will she contribute for building fund? Will she give? Add up for the building fund. Next, it. You can say, it means America, you can say. Third person singular. Does it control other countries? Does America control other countries? So, it is America. So, you are asking a question, does you are using, did it confuse you? Confuse means, is it disturbing you? Will it convene a meeting? Convene means what? Calling for a meeting. Convene means calling for a meeting. Next, 70. They. You are asking questions to they, yes or no. Do they converse with this uncle? With this uncle. Converse means what? Speaking. Converse. Past tense is conversed. So, when you are asking question, did they convert to Islam? Convert means what? Change themselves from Islam. Convert. Will they convey the message? Will they inform the message? So, my dear friends, all these vocabularies, see, all these are action verbs. Console. Console means what? Satisfying, consolidate, grouping, conspiring, joining, constrict, shortening, constrain, forcing, construe, explaining, consult, advising, consuming, drinking, consummate, completing, contaminate, spoiling, contemplate, thinking, content, satisfying, contest, competing, contract, getting, contradict, opposing, contrast, differentiating, contravene, violating, contribute, giving, control, bossing, and confuse, disturbing, convene, arranging for a meeting, converse, speaking, convert, changing, convey, telling. All these things are called action verbs. Your mind is involved in an action. So, these action verbs, when you want to question, you are using do in the present tense. He, she, it, you are using does. If it is a past tense, you are using did. Did is common for everybody. And for I and we, you are using shall, and after that everything you are using will. See, mind you, I console the victims. It gives a complete sentence. When you add do, it becomes a question. So, for all the questions and negatives, what you have to use? Do, does, did should be used for yes or no. You take away the did, I consolidate the all these tenses without these helping verbs, it becomes a present tense sentences. By adding do, did and shall, it becomes question in present tense and past tense and future. Hope you are able to understand. Okay, my dear friends, coming